screen no sa kwadi show no screen no nsu ye no say scoreboard na bi no
menim say bi an board nti aba Ghana nti
e dey say na okay
and men kan say jiwo men kan say because ade we dey nti na say ye betu akra de ko kumase de konkran so eti me I know say Kotoko play working kumase. Why? Because at this stage, you know, obi am free calf aso yemba at this stage. Whatever they will do, no, young for yana ebe no mo. If they see the pictures and they're good, they approve it to play. Group stage numbers more nipa. Amomaba. And at this stage, there, our people no can run over certain things for us to play. And Morocco, they are no say work who play it Baba here because some of the things, you know, I'm going to petty. Scoreboard don't be can't say, oh, who bring it. Say, do come and visit. It is working. Light, boy, 1 3 hours of 4.
Yeah, I'm fine. 3
hours of 4. Jeff and Cosata, no, you problem. And you will not have issues with the light. So, and I see MC. Jibo wow jigan public matter sa akunyana ko siwose we Kotoko for monje muntimi ntawo na monje nko because one of the issues that they had was that Kotoko propose giving them loan the money as a loan and then they say
omonye
pegana mbrano they can't take a loan without going to parliament and they say so obeji loan from individual and somebody corner parliament approve and sign on magic ask no which and based on omuntimi nyane ni manu ya and I was saying this idea, you know, Mamma, never much yet. And I'm saying, no, and Yajuma. And do shall there. They were ready to do the money, but can I come a the moment at the idea. And then as if he said, Nanko so yet, Kotoko problems in India ABCD. Kotoko as Yenny benefited, and tell you ABCD no, your first C and D. Yeah. I can say a Jessica. Almost Kotoko Ebida. And Nomoko Africa and if anything. Now, problems about a lot of things, you know. Kotoko, Kotoko France, Sadia, oh dear. When we are from Caribbean, yeah, check. Sana be a bit me in stadium, no. It's the end of the one air shade himself, Kotoko, best I didn't be. Say there are problems in here. It's the affair when we say, Baye. Most of the way. Eti I think said that nyama kan de petipeti
eti there bi o sa de de o na wo e na Kotoko behan e na sifo na yemo dia okay e bi aye CCA ye betia ye 1 2 3 4 ne 5 ye ntimi nye enti bi Kotoko 4 ne 5 no mo a na wo be ka che Kotoko so no me kire 1 2 3 de obeyansa na wo be kire wo be fa 4 ne 5 dia se en ka asem sa
Kotoko no pete say omo no so omo be yem pa sika no omo fa nche told the argument no Kotoko that catch on plain almost share na pen kind the team no na pen told them point blank say on be we scaras can omo infanche one a loan almost loan omo ntimi loan because at the parliament on say dey and e bo match sa need that tete and on so omo say dey be nye yi and o manja ntum and I think say nyama na aka dey man because the bigger one no they can't no they almost be run over come senka safety and baby abas no go jaro na so come kata top one no because say the fans na etim be VIP wings on no no mo hwe mo ase on no now teams away teams e complain say obetimi to be e dia ball mo e to say come kata ho no but enu we nya no mo to be run over it and many ya dey mo to be run over it na say omo yo many afon because of it you know jibo send here can I'm sure say based on nyama ya titi baba yara may be able to host Kotoko and work
say host
but group stage na nyama na aka no
yem free ha ye we ha na se Kotoko timi qualify ko group stage a ye no so be make sure so be but asem ne say Kotoko ne wa game no ensuo mo ewie mo edie mo say koso baba yara sports stadium
oh and there one
say yantimi anye ama the only Ghanaian club aka ewo CAF competition mu amebobo ewo mu home nobody is saying say Kotoko bobo no baba yara e chese chenchire on be she work
oh no
but what we are saying is say efie Kotoko ebo wo Kumase ema o ma ho den ne kosoro chance o mo bo won kan sika fam eno pa na hia sesei Kotoko benya sika mo e de ayo mo nyoma bebre sports minister abakrum ha behebo o mampanyina ba abeka ho asem Ashanti regional minister ababeka ho asem KM boss eso ababeka ho asem nti afiri suro abesi fom yentimi disappoint Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko na as a club eno so eyeso moma no hia omo
no they have to be involved first year there wona dey hia o wa NSF no the only thing I say the only lose one say for example see you any Savudu Kasai osa kra munya 200,000
yeah
Kumasi munya bo 500,000
yeah
nke Kumasi a which NSF munya scan mu do pa so but scan akoko di baby enyamo etino if all items being equal economists will tell you say if Kotoko were able to get 200,000 in Accra against WAC they can get 600,000 in Kumasi
ebe bokra
they can get it Kumasi
ebebo
etino it benefit obia a benefit Ghana by because so benya ne percentage so obenya ne budget tax
yeah
and they say mo ba benefit mo de Kotoko ba benefit benya ne de no bia so to onya bia no a benefit
because Accra system nim
yes in Accra you don't get this me say in
hotels ahudo wokruma manfo be free chichiri abe bookie abe da ho
so
abe boost Kumasi economy
no it's something that I think say me I know say Ghana GF for abam there in terms of at this stage yes more Ghana rep no amaba you know enuma ya abaye wi report no imam office on eko so
Ketoke kusu na da
ha owi a no akoma competition department no report say ya o man inspector baba yara anti competition department these are the report no so akan no munya the key decisions anti one a Ghanaian does the inspection the report goes to a Ghanaian office at Cairo owi a it comes back to a Ghanaian office in terms of taking final decisions as to whether Baba Yara will host it or not. And if Sa Ghanaian for the decide ya no muntimi approve Baba Yara member born so then more importance are more and say that thing say at this stage here Kotoko a must that somebo work Kumasi ajibo jibo suyan ke sin morning na and pay like so the okay I just say pay he's saying say
Kwame Abedi na de bae
design no environment no enke pe bank yesino more than one so and enke ya who obese na who Crystal Palace for say do me maybe address room maybe a place here free ba you see say enya see the hu bia but a modernized stadium modern stadium
especially the pitch and a stance no
yes
seat abetna so
but yes
yeah
so into ko ha until your problem is that we are not the right thing.
Yeah.
Until we should essentially improve on all the sense I Jibo. Jibo. Come on, you can't do na. Now you see, Nkofon Tiase why my message I can see I even Obianco office saying say Baba Yara no ebia finances but embo players no. You can't underestimate the power of your traditional home ground. No one say na eti the message no corner work for not say born no Kumasi mpo mo be show mo. Do you know why? Because Omabo Kumasi 3 times
yeah.
They've come to Baba Yara 3 times. 87 they were in Kumasi, Kotoko 2-0. 2002, Kotoko 2-1. Okay, some confirm if say Kotoko na as obo combination ka final no. Kotoko you are free man say mo group stage o. Kotoko e bin confirm if say along the way before Kotoko played has in the final of the maiden Confederations Cup no. Team Kotoko yi ni film ko group stage na work. Okay, I say la mo. That day I said Diagro pa on my 2 assists no. I'm say is it Eii Asem one she go no. Baba Yara 2-0. Ana work Kotoko ball draw. Ewo Felix and Morocco e yemu free mu. Eti why we are saying ni say there is history behind everything that nipa we wa brabom. And then they saying, what enemy say all their visit to Babayara Biara they've lost. And then one team. It's a 7 team no, and you're not about 2002. 202 team no never be free. I'm be about 2004 team no. And Kotoko have beaten them with 3 different generations. So they can also beat them in another generation in Babayara. Now, are you forgetting the has beat them in Accra? Sasha walk Accra. I am Morocco na a general to ye. Eti, how do you can beat work in Kumasi? No doubt they can beat them in Kumasi. But what we can assure you is already they can qualify because Morocco on the you need the best you ho. Because Morocco on what you corner from what an for boys na Asem Aba. But in Kumasi here, Babayara, the traditional home ground, a different ball game altogether. I'm a kind Kotoko traditionally, they don't lose games. Oh, Babayara, oh, Africa, sao. And yeah, venue that whatever team they present, say, say in terms of your estimation, how you think, say, where they a real Kotoko team, but Babayara, amun time lusu at that venue. I think, say, it's a good advantage. Say, Babayara, at least you win your match in Kumasi here. The best of Morocco Biano and the Mukuko Drua will discuss that later. So, I think, say, let's what's the name? Hope, say, Jibo, they are able to get the venue ready, approved by CAF. Na match na koso Babayara, send the Baya, be able to find based on the picture, see the picture, no. And bad, sir. At least a page that should be able to host a good football game. Now, you know, dugout no. The so in terms of almost after the distance ne lines no e ben do. Nti na omo be si echiri. Omo match ni wi a na omo push akwa e fa ne say echiri ho. So, etijibo I think say we should hope for say asemna no aka ko no fa no hunjim.
That's the only way.
After the men na was me twa ma anything for no na abrem report ni sen no. Mum fa mo hunjim every day Kotoko should be at a responsibility with NSA for no. Ye way no ma contribute na mu nyama ye. Send be ya you get the venue ready for the big assignment because me say me can no work as good as they are. One say when they come here. Now why it's very important to play the game here. Jibo Kotoko have only lost 1 game in Morocco against WAC. And it was 1-0. 87 years. Kotoko 2-0. I'm going 1-1. One Kotoko beat them 2-0 in Kumasi. They played 1-1 in Rabat. 2002 year no. Almost 1-0 or no. Almost 1-0 oh Morocco.
Kotoko be 2-1.
2-1. Then in 2004, after Charles Taylor led the team, making 2 assists, and we need 2-0 no. Kotoko 1-1 oh Morocco. You say who follow you know? If you follow Kotoko's travel to Morocco against WAC, a 1-1 87, 1-0 2002, then 1-1 in 2004. And Untina and here's a Kotoko we need first leg, you know, because I'm sure the legends 87 for Omotiase, 2002 for Omotiase, 2004 for Omotiase. You let these boys we talk about museum Jibo. We say and can have faso. Kotoko museum as animal in Abuboa Jibo. So we can do these boys mu take them through the history. Ye to kwano a team Yabodrom you know was washing Pune 1-0. In the chess there's a need for you to win the first leg in Kumasi here because historically you know say in Rabat wait my day you wait what you ho because on team and that team a team Kotoko Arabian Arabs no mu team Kotoko nya bi nie and how you say traditionally Jibo they be like same way upe the only Ghanaian team away yen share do do Kotoko.
My main message we Isaac say we free South Africa. I said this is the reason why I used to say you people are not fair. Baby any Gold Stars played in Accra, but you people didn't complain. But reaching Kotoko 10 now, you are comparing. Kotoko must also play in Accra. Naja Kotoko mo first leg ombono, mo first ombono Accra. The issue is baby any BBN we baby at this state. Yet we have African games or baby any Isaac. Baby any far away. Say ebe host to when you find a dance park no. Ebe host to African game. The gap between baby any Gold Stars park no dance park. Any hosting an African game no. Ewa Isaac. Nti o ka Kotoko asem na de pese e chere se. Adwuma aka obaba yare betimi ama bo omu game no. Ense dan supi. Esi yi ani. Nti obi nka se mag baby any mo matches wo mu home. But dance park with the current situation see ka se ko African game agisi e boost stadium nyina egusi fro
enye kra na say league ni pro mo no say enye omunye full approved nti o de
Isaac de wo ho eno no
nti enye se bia e Kotoko ntia why we are saying ni say dance baby no mun ni park a ben in terms of hosting